Here's how to fix the Roblox memory dump error. 3 methods to try. The first fix is to right-click the Roblox player icon on your desktop and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and set it to Windows 8. Also check Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Launch Roblox and test. If that does not work, open the Microsoft Store and search for Roblox. Install the Windows Store version of Roblox. This uses a different client that can bypass the memory dump error entirely and is worth trying if the standard player keeps crashing. If you prefer to keep using the regular Roblox player, press Windows R to open Run. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Scroll down alphabetically to find the Roblox folder and delete it. This only contains temporary cached files, and no important data will be lost. After deleting it, right-click your recycle bin and select Empty Recycle Bin to remove it completely. Now relaunch the Roblox player and the memory dump error should be resolved. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.